Okay, I'm so sorry, student, for the technical problem because my mic is not giving fully cooperation to me by today. It's okay, we still proceed, right? Okay, we have three critical issues to consider when screening the opportunity. Number one, we have the product feasibility, whether it's a really real, and can the product be made or service delivered using the available technology. So as I give example like a Grab, okay, that is how they visible, because you just log in into the mobile apps and then you start to maybe booking. Okay, you order the food and then from that technology you make the payment, online banking, and then the food is coming to you, okay, by using the rider. Okay, and market feasibility, is it viable? Does anyone want it? Has the product any features that someone value and would be ready to pay for, right? So I can say number one, two, three in here is giving a lots of example like in the Grab food, Grab delivery, and people ready to pay on that. Okay, right? Because they see how efficient the service are. And the economic feasibility, is it worth it? Can the product be developed, manufactured, and distributed while generating a profit? There is lots of the profit. Instead of that, for those the driver and also the rider, they do have some commission for every single of delivery they made, and also they rely on the apps, right, in order to do this thing. So this is the opportunity. Okay, like a Grab driver, they do have their own car, which is a 5 years later, right? Meaning to say, if the old car they're not actually giving the permission in order you to bring the Grab car. All right, so we're moving on to the next one, from creativity to entrepreneurship. Okay, screening opportunity, is it real, is it viable, is it worth of it? So this is actually the derived from here, and then they put into the diagram. Okay, so is it novel, is it different? Of course, if you can see the graph itself, okay, they have a different, is it the patentable, okay, and then the logo, is it technically visible? Yes, you can see it, even though we call so called, it's not just totally service, is product plus service, because we do have the products, okay, the food itself, and we see the rider, they use the motorcycle, and we can see the mobile apps. Okay, is really technically feasible? Is it viable? Is it better than rival products? Okay, we have many rival, of course, the Food Panda, we have Bungkusit, we have Diligo. Okay, they have many, right? Okay, does the somebody wants to buy it? Of course, the customer will buy it. And can we make it with our resources? If you have the resources, you can start your own delivery, or maybe like somehow like a Grab services. Is it worth it? Is it there is a sizable market? Is huge market. Are the forecasted return greater than the cost? Somehow when I'm chit chat with those the Grab driver, they said during this pandemic it's totally give impact to them. Okay, because somehow those people cannot go out from their home, and they have to stay at home, right? And then those the Grab driver lose some their income. There is not totally loss, but they have low income compared before. Are the risk acceptable? The risk of accident, if you see, right? Many of the rider they have been caught into accident, whereby this is a very quite risky. Okay, and of course for the mobile itself, it somehow can be hacked. Maybe I do not know, but it can be potentially hacked by those the hackers. Okay, all right. In summary, part it says creativity can be described as the productions of the new and useful ideas in any domain. Creativity stems from the creative thinking skills, knowledge, and motivation. Innovation is the successful implementation of the creative idea within an organization. And of course, the extent of innovation can be defined as disruptive or incremental. So, this is all about the creativity and innovation topic. Alright, and they said also in the summary, the screening process to establish the visibility of this opportunity must address whether the product is visibility, is it real, the market visibility is viable, and the economic visibility, is it worth it. Of course, it will be affect the economy itself. Okay, so I will be stop right now, and sorry for all the technical problem that is unexpected occurrence that we must bear, and we have to face it real. Even though I'm doing this record version to you, but still I facing it in the real time. Okay. All right, thank you for now. Have a nice day, and please don't keep asking about this. I know when to add you for the new account, because the new class is still not, because we are still not working. So we proceed on the Moodle, and also my like this record version lecture. And then somehow if I want to do the live lecture, I will tell you. So all description I have been paste in our group description. Okay. All right, thank you for now. Assalamualaikum and bye bye.